Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to get a nice wet sleek look on your unit. So first we're going to need to detangle the unit. I'm going to be using the Lotta Body mousse with the a wide tooth comb. This hair, by the way, is from Weska's Hair. I believe it's their kinky curly hair. So I did customize this unit myself. If you want to contact me for customization or wig construction, I'm going to leave all of the information in the description box below. So we're going to be using the Lotta Body mousse. This is my favorite mousse, guys. This mousse is so great because it doesn't give your hair that really hard crunchy feeling, especially when you keep adding on product. It does not give you that feel at all. It gives you just a nice sleek bouncy look, and it gets the hair, the curls, like clumped up together without again making it crunchy, as long as you use enough water with it. I'm using a hair mister to just douse the hair in enough water. And I'm trying to work my way upwards with the unit, starting from the bottom, going all the way to the top, as you would your own natural hair. This just helps prevent too much breakage or shedding from the unit, because again, it may look like it's coming out your scalp, girl, but it's not coming out your scalp. So you gotta make sure you get, you save enough hair that so it doesn't start getting, thin or balding or anything like that. So again, I'm just working in small sections, and I'm starting my way from the bottom and working my way all the way towards the top of the unit. And I just keep dousing it in enough water just to make sure that there is the least amount of breakage possible. It may seem like I'm going like really vicious in it, but it's really sped up. So take your time, guys, with this, because you do not want a lot of breakage. It's very easy for curly units especially to get breakage, the same way it's easy for us natural girls to get breakage in our hair if we're not gentle with it. So here you see me going in with a Denman brush in the same motion with the wide tooth comb. I'm holding the brush horizontally, and that makes a huge difference in getting the curls to really pop while I'm raking the hair with my fingers gently. If you do not have a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair at first, you can use the Denman brush, but you're gonna have to hold it in the vertical position. I actually learned this a few months ago. I forgot which video it was from, but if you hold the Denman brush vertically, like up and down, it's going to like more so detangle the hair. It might not give you that defined look, but it's again good for detangling the hair better. And then holding it horizontally is going to get the curls to pop. Look at that. Y'all already see that. And as you can see, the more product I put, it's not getting too hard. It's just still nice and soft. And when it dries, it's still that way as well, which is why I really love and recommend that mousse. And I hope you guys are doing okay during this quarantine situation. I know it can be really depressing and a little bit daunting right now. So I hope that, this content that we creators make is helping the day just be a little bit better, and help you get through the day a little bit more relaxed. I'm actually a healthcare worker myself, and I'm on break right now. So hopefully I can get through this in one take. So pray for me, y'all. I'm on the front lines here. I just like to do hair on the side because I just, it's a little passion of mine, honestly, that I recently found. I really love making units unique to their person and just, satisfying a customer, seeing exactly what they want and giving them just that. So as you can see here, I'm just lightly smoothing the hair while I brush the front. That's gonna help you get that sleek look in the front especially. So as you brush, you want to smooth your hands on it afterwards. As you can see, it's getting nice and clumped up a little bit more. And I'm kind of just a little bit of a perfectionist. I mean, it's fine. It looks fine here, honestly, but I kind of just go in more a little bit just to make sure almost every single strand is defined and, you know, sleek and wet. I'm gonna do the same thing here on the other side. Also, I want to know what y'all are doing in this quarantine. Like, are y'all still getting your hair done during this quarantine? Because I know, like, some people, they're not working, like, they're not going to work. They're working from home. So it's like, I know a lot of y'all, you know, you just have your bonnet on, the same braid that y'all had since March. You know, y'all still got those same braids on, and y'all not doing your hair. A lot of people are not. But I know some people are, because they still have to go to work, like, you know, especially if you're an essential worker, you work in a hospital like myself. So, I mean, let me know, guys. What would y'all do? Some people, they want just their hair done in general. I mean, that would be me. Even if I wasn't leaving the house, I would want my hair done just to look at myself and be happy, you know? But I mean, it doesn't have to be done. I'm still happy with, you know, little doodle braids underneath or cornrows, you know. And as you can see, the unit is looking really nice and sleek. I absolutely love this look, guys. Yes, get into that hairline, y'all. Y'all see that? Amazing. So this is the final look on my client. I really loved how it turned out, and I hope you guys do too. Like, comment, and share if you care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.